Stay down. Daddy's trying to get a picture of this big squirrel. Packing his cheeks full of the cat food. And these, no, it's a big squirrel. Come here. He's packing his cheeks. He's getting ready for winter. See? Look at his cheeks all full of cat food. See?
Where's Duke?
I don't know where the rotten dog is, but he needs to get his butt back here. Duke! What are you doing? Get over here and keep this squirrel out of the cat food. Getting all ready for winter, he is. Little bugger. Duke, keep these cats from... Look, that whole damn... Wasn't that thing full? Look, that's what I'm saying.
Where's the food that
These stinking birds and that chipmunk.
I put it yesterday.
I mean, that squirrel.
the water gone, everything?
You know what? We're going to have to move it. I don't mind them getting some food, but that's ridiculous. Huh. All right.